Hey guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. Today's May 24th, 10 p.m. and for another Quick Charts. If you're not familiar with Quick Charts, we bring you the top analyst all in one page, so it's easier for you to do that research, saves you time and legwork, and also helps you to miss that next big move in Bitcoin on the upside or the downside. And before we get into the chart, if you're not familiar with Quick Charts, we have a quick link with the demo so you can watch the demo and see how to navigate excuse me, through Quick Charts. So we just have two sections. We have one page here with three analysts. The analysts are the colors. Each analyst has, if they have two different pathways, we just see 1 and 2 here. And then we have the candle charts, which just have the analyst actual charts. And I'm going to go over that after I go over the quick charts. So let's jump into the quick charts now. We're currently at around $7,500, actually around $7,550. And we have three analysts with a few different viewpoints, and let's take a look. We have in blue a bounce to about 8,000, or we continue down to 6,500 and then down below 6,000. In red we have to the 7,200 mark or the 6,800 mark, and in green we have 7,000 and then we have a bounce, or we have 7,000 and we go down to 6,500. Now let's see what this means. So just keep an eye on these prices here. So this is what I want to focus on, is just take a look at the key price points people or the analysts are having, which is the 7,000, 7,200 zone. So if you're trading, have an eye on that on a buy-in, or if it falls below this mark, then you maybe want to short or cut your stop losses, or this is another potential bounce here area. So just keep an eye on these price points here. Now what does this mean? Let's go to the analyst charts themselves, which is the candle charts, and go over what they've said. So Tony Vase today in the morning, he went over, he does TD sequential candle charts. Basically he said that we're here hovering between the 30-week and the 50-week moving average, and we need to see a bounce off of this 50-week, same way we saw a bounce over here, and looks like we're not bouncing the way we did over here. So he sees more of a bearish scenario where we're gonna go down. I had him in here in blue, where we're gonna go down to 6,500. We still can have a bounce up though, but he's more on the bearish view, 6,500, and then further down below 6,000. Again, this is his view. We can have a bounce up to this 8,000 previous and now it's resistance, previous support, and we bounce down, or we can go straight through here. And then we have Silicon, where he has the bearish and the bullish scenario. This is the bullish scenario where we hold this line here, and this is the green box where we should hit, which is the 0.786, around $7,200, $7,100, and that's the bearish. But if we break below this white line, then it looks like we'll probably go down to the 6,500 zone, which he has here in green, this long green box here. So that should be the next zone that we should touch. And then Gene has a count where we're finishing an Elliott wave count down to C. We have another possible wave up to here, and then we may already have finished that, and then down to the 7,000, or we could possibly end up at the 6,800, which would be around here, which would be the Fibonacci 0.88. So again, why he's talking about 7,000, because that's the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is from this whole run up down to here is 0.786. And Silicon also likewise has us in the bullish scenario hitting this green box, which is 0.786 scenario as well. And Tony has a different viewpoints using the 50-week moving average. And that's it for our three analysts today, and our the price points for Bitcoin for today, for the evening of May 24th. These analysts had their views earlier in the morning, and so let's see how price action follows. If you're doing your own trading, just do your own due diligence, as there's always a risk of losing money, and all of the analysts' opinions are their own opinions, and any opinions of Coinsider is just opinions. It's not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence again, and good luck with trading. Thanks for joining me on another Quick Charts, May 24th, evening time, New York. Have a great day, guys.